Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to be exploring the new Freestanding Whiteboard feature. So on our new wristwatch, this bottommost option allows us to create a whiteboard wherever we like. So previously, you could only have whiteboards in rooms that already have them, but now you can just bring them in straight from your wristwatch, and it handles just like an IFX. Grow it, shrink it, move it around, whatever. So I can press this edit button here, and I get an art palette on my left hand. I can grow and shrink the brush size here, the pencil size here. I have black, white, red, yellow, and blue, but I can also have access to a complete color wheel if I like. There we go, and I can change the saturation there, just like that, straight at the top. Great. So I'll go ahead and put pen to paper and say, hello. Just like that. So you put your pen to the board there, click the trigger, and then just start drawing. I find that the closer I am to the board, the more control that I have. There's some options that you have over here. So in the normal mode, you can only access the whiteboard if you're close enough to touch it. But there's also a mode where you can point at it from any distance and start scribbling too. Of course, you have much less precision there, but if you have, say, a whiteboard that's a million miles away and super big, then edit that. Then using that tool or that mode can be a more viable option. Now, the menu docking here, so it's tethered to my left hand here. I can choose to put it on my right if I'm a lefty, which I'm not, so I'll go ahead and switch it back. Or I could dock the menu in midair right where it is. So even if I move away, the menu stays there. But I'll go ahead and dock it to my left hand again. Turn off the laser input mode. Hit the X so I can use it as an IFX again. Shrink it down, bring it back to me. Hit that edit button again. I have an eraser. I can erase stuff. Make the eraser bigger. Do that. I can also just clear all. There we go. Easy peasy. I can even have a more faded tip there. Can do that. That's real nice. Can change the colors around again. Great. Now, one thing that should be noted here is drawings on the whiteboard cannot be recorded. So if I were to run a recording where I bring up a whiteboard and start scribbling on it, the viewers of that recording they're going to be able to see a whiteboard and see that the recording is drawing on it, but they're not going to be able to see what's on the whiteboard itself. That's a current limitation of the platform. So keep that in mind as you use this tool. I can even, once I've brought up a single whiteboard, I can clone them, or I can make new ones using my wristwatch. So I could make a snapshot of the whiteboards. I could even make a shared whiteboard if I wanted. So I could make a snapshot of all these whiteboards. So if I'm running an activity and I want my class be able to do some group work, make some whiteboards, put one there, clone it, put one there. There you go. So I could sit at the table and easy. So it's a real powerful tool, and I hope you guys have fun with it. Great. See you next time.